Sorry, I am sweating. Hey everybody, Tony Collum, and I wanted to show you a kitchen island that I got to see while doing a home inspection recently. And I'm gonna walk you through the kitchen island itself, and I'm gonna walk you through the build of it. And if you stay tuned to the end, I'm gonna show you how you can get the plans for this kitchen island. I've got it all drawn up in SketchUp with exploded view. I want you to be able to see the cut list and everything. It's gonna be relatively easy to do. Okay, I've got the plans uploaded to my Etsy shop. Make sure you check out the link in the description below. And please know that every time you purchase something through my links, you're helping this channel in a huge way, and I really appreciate it. Okay, first off, we're looking at a custom kitchen island here that looks like it has two base cabinets, two 30-inch base cabinets. I didn't pull tape on either one of these. I apologize for that. The cabinets are together. They have a beadboard trim on the sides and on the back. Off the side of the front here that you can see, you've got a stretcher that comes across to a 4x4 leg, and then a stretcher that goes back to another 4x4 leg. And then you'll notice on the back side that it goes across the back with a stretcher to another 4x4 leg. So it's got three 4x4 legs on it, trimmed around with beadboard. And then there's a couple of 2x pieces of cedar, 2x4 looking pieces, 2x6, whatever. They've got trimmed from top to bottom at the edges of the beadboard to kind of finish out the trim on it. The underside, you'll see that it's got about 1 foot on center little stretchers that go front to back that support the center of the island because of how large it is and how much overhang it has. This right here is a perfect example of how you can get a huge kitchen island and only have just a couple of cabinets underneath of it. Basically, you build a table. It's a table. The fourth leg is the cabinets. This thing is very easy to put together. I'm gonna do the plans in SketchUp. I'm gonna have those available for you. This is really an easy cabinet build. This is so easy. You can build these cabinets yourself relatively cheap. They have a pine, or excuse me, they'll have a maple plywood for the carcasses. They'll probably have either a poplar front for the face frame. Super easy to put together. The plans I'm going to give you, or I'm going to have available, are going to be, just whatever material you want to use, but I'm going to base them off pre-assembled, pre-made cabinets from Home Depot. I'll just be quite honest with you, or Lowe's, whatever. They're not, you don't have to get too crazy with the cabinets. They're just two cabinets. I mean, they're simple. Home Depot offers, you can go in there and use their filters. You can go down and click on plywood boxes. You don't have to use the crappy ones. I caught a lot of crap in my last video, the kitchen island video that I did, because the cabinets were the particle board, blah blah blah. Yeah, I get it. A few thumbs down on it, but who cares? It was trying to get a finished product out that we just wanted for our house. I can still swap those cabinets out. But anyway, you can go in there, click some options. Now those pre-finished hard, maple cabinet boxes, they're going to get high. I mean, you can get $400 or $500 a piece on these 30-inch cabinets for those things, but that's fine too. You can, just guesstimating, you can probably do this island for anywhere from $1,000, $2,000, $2,500, depending on how much the top's going to cost you, how big you go with it. This island, the pictures don't do it justice. It is absolutely at least probably 6.5 to 7 foot across the face of it, 4.5 foot deep, maybe even 5 foot deep. This is a monster kitchen island. If those are two 30-inch base cabinets, you can see the offset to the left of it. That's at least an 18 to 24-inch opening. And if you look at the other side of the cabinet, or on the back side, on the right side of it from front to back, you've got the minimum 24-inch deep cabinet, and then it goes to another 18 to 24-inch offset there. So you're looking at 4 foot to 5 foot deep cabinet. It's very possible that this thing is 7 by 5, easy. Like I said, I didn't pull tape on it, but that's this. And then I'm going to show you. The plans are going to be available. I'll put a link down in the description below that you can get the plans, and super easy to put together. I think you'll really enjoy this kitchen island. And also, while I'm talking about it, make sure you go, I'll put the link in the description, make sure you go and join our Facebook group. We've got a How To Hero Facebook group. Everybody's invited. It's a great group of people. there's a bunch of Marine Corps buddies of mine. A lot of people that I know on Facebook have invited their friends. I think we're like 500 plus members right now, and it's a great group of folks. It's people from all walks of life and all different types of background. It is not just a how to build cabinets, not just a woodworking. It's got cars in there. We've got a lot of different stuff in there. So we'd love to have you come join us on the Facebook group and share your experiences there. We hustle there and hustle here to try to get people and we want people to feel involved and feel like they're part of something, and that's what that group's about. I'd love for you to come over and join that group and participate. We'd really enjoy having you. Make sure if you like the video, click the like button, leave a comment down in the comments, please, and make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.